tonight. This cute mirror here. It's a small little room, but it's nice. And we're going to be here for a few days. A little desk. We made it to Mexico City, and now we're gonna have some dinner.
Let the sky be filled with neon, pockets full of teardrops. Make me feel limitless.
Good morning, everyone. So this is our first day in Mexico City, and we actually have a super fun day planned. We have booked like a tour for the pyramids of Teotihuacan, and then also we're going to the Basilica de Guadalupe, of Our Lady Guadalupe, which I'm so excited for. Today is gonna be such a fun day, and I'm gonna take you along with me. But yeah, I'm super excited, and let's go. Our tour guide's leaving. Should be arriving in like 10 minutes, so we gotta go. I'm super excited. This is one of the things I've been looking forward to for this trip.
That all of this area were the cities that was floating city.
And here we have that one, for example, they made the figures. That one is Tonatiuh. Tonatiuh is son of the god, protect of the family. You can see the detail because that's very, very small. Like a digestive. The sweet, that's amazing. For
Fill you up with an explosion, hit you like an ocean. You won't be prepared. Anyway the wind blows, playing in a window, breathing with no air. We keep cool, but we know.
Electromagnetic field. That what I told you, that when you get this into a balance, you can interact direct with nature. Just look at the ants and see what happened. In fact, as they feel that I'm not attacking them, they never will bite me. If you want to get a little bit closer, feel free to do it. And in fact, I think that I really love. They start to connect with your frequency. In fact, look at the movements that they produce. It's like a kind of mandala.
I want that pearly beat underground, twist me up, round and round.
Structures that you can see there. Pyramids, there are actually. Yeah, more than 265. Higher royalty. They always represent the jaguar. That's why you got a jaguar sign. Because this is the higher lead, the higher conscience, the higher leader. Things from the sea when there be a royalty area. In the place, because you feel it.
We're in Zocalo Plaza right now. It's really cool at night. Very bright. Hi guys, so we just got back from getting coffee. I asked for an iced coffee. I realize now that here it's frappuccinos, it's frappes. I imagine I'll have the same issue in France. Perfectly fine. It's delicious though. And I just needed my little caffeine kick. The plan for today is we're leaving this hotel. We're going to a different hotel, and then we're going back to the Basilica de Guadalupe to see some of the other churches. With the tour we paid for, we only got to see one, and we kind of want to see some of the other stuff around there. So we're gonna go back to that this afternoon, and then off to the conferences for a couple days. But yeah, today we have another fun adventure day. All right, I'm off to work for a little bit, and then we'll get ready to go. I got this croissant. It has cookies in it. And again, this is a golden latte, and then we have a chocolate chip croissant over there, and a little taro iced frappe frosty thing. All delicious. I love this coffee shop. Here's the bathroom. It's really nice. I just hate how they don't have like real doors anymore. Here is the mirror. Hey, so cute. We have this giant pole you can hide behind. We have this giant full-length mirror. Hey. All right, and then here's the bed, a little nightstand, bed, another mirror, a little desk with our little poochie. Okay. And then we have a record player with some records. This is our view. So happy to be here. I love this room. I could stay here forever. Hi guys, so I just gave you a little room tour and we are checked into our new hotel for a majority of the week. And I am going to do my makeup and tell you about our day yesterday and sort of what this week we have planned. So yesterday we had a super fun, exciting day. I found this trip advisor that was a guided tour to Teotihucan Pyramids, and also like to a little village around there that they have like a silver mine and stuff. They make silver, and they let us try like some tequila, some mezcal, and also some drink from a plant that I guess used to be hallucinogenic. Now it's just like sweet and good to have. So it's supposed to have like healing properties and good vitamins and things. So we got to try that, and then they just walked us around the little village, and then we were able to go over to the pyramids where we saw the sun and the moon pyramid. They were absolutely beautiful. I mean, like breathtaking. It was really, really cool to see the culture and just hear a lot of cool information from the tour guide. I definitely recommend the tour, but our tour guide was, he was interesting for sure. He kept telling us like that he like takes peyote and it like opens his third eye, and he was telling us about his adventures with that and how that connects to like the history of the pyramid. I majored in archaeology in college, so I love stuff like that. So I had a really cool time learning about the sun and the moon pyramid and the meaning behind it, and just the cool energy that was at that place. And we spent a lot of time there, a lot of walking. We did like 15,000 steps yesterday. And then we had a little lunch break. We went to this little place. There was a buffet available, but some of the entrees, the a la carte, actually looked really good. So we got, I got an order of fajitas. That was delicious. After that, we traveled back into Mexico City. It's about an hour trip back into the city, and then we went to the big Basilica de Guadalupe. It's the church with the big Virgin Mary here. Apparently, our tour guide told us it's like the second biggest pilgrimage besides like the Vatican, which is really, really cool. It was really cool to see. That portion of the tour was shorter. It was like 30 minutes. And there's like 7 churches there, so it's like the antique church. The original one was there, and then they built out this really beautiful modern one to have like lots of people there. It has like an original cloth from the Virgin Mary, which was awesome. And then there's like some other churches around there, or other religious sites, and one of them was the place where one of the stories, a man saw Mary for the first time. She came to him, so we wanted to go up and see that, but that was not part of the tour we paid for, so that is actually where we're going to be going this afternoon. And after we went and found dinner, we found this really good place that had really good food, and then we got to try this dessert. It was like Tres Marias or something. It was like 3 different types of ice cream with like Maria's cookies or something. It was very good. On our walk home, we saw that they are having a festival this whole week that we're there. So it's a festival of the indigenous cultures, and we were able to just walk in because it's free, and like we walked around some of the stalls and saw some of the performances that were going on, which was a lot of fun. And we just like walked around and kind of looked at stuff. We bought 1 or 2 gifts for some family and friends. We're gonna for sure do some more shopping. And there we go, my makeup is done. I'm gonna put on some lotion and then probably let that sit and do some sunscreen, but we're gonna be heading out to the church soon. All right, this is the best I can do to get my full little outfit of the day, but here we go. I have this little dress that I got from Amazon and these little sandals that I got from Target. And yeah, we're gonna head to the church. On our way up, we stopped and got a cup of fruit. This beautiful view though. We've decided to come to the little rooftop bar and grab a little drink. I got one called Bad Decisions, even though we were tired, so we'll see how this goes. The rooftop is so cool. There's a fire pit, and that's the view. And then there's like a bar and stuff over around the corner. There's like a birthday party happening, so I don't want to film it, but it's pretty cool. Okay, this is Bad Decisions, everyone. Oh my god, it's so good. Cheers! Hi guys, so today I had a lot of work to be done. So I couldn't film much because we were just having conferences and meetings and things like that. But now I'm getting ready to leave for the Lucha Libre experience, which I'm so excited about, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Sorry, I was looking out at the beautiful view. It's even pretty during the day. Okay, that's what I'm wearing out. I'll keep you updated. This is what is happening.
At the right side, we can see the Holy Spirit in the shape of a dove. I have similarly.
Hi everyone! So I know the past couple of clips have just been some random things for the past couple of days. I've just been venturing out, doing some stuff with my coworkers. Good morning. Today is our last day in Mexico City. We have a really fun day. I know that I introed yesterday and said we were going to museums and things. It ended up being a crazy day. Nothing was open. We did not get to do anything that we wanted to originally when we planned, but we did get to do a lot of stuff. We're going to Coyoacan today, and then we're gonna go to Frida Kahlo's house where they have a Frida Kahlo Museum, and we're just gonna explore. I'm so excited. The buildings there are beautiful, and I think it's gonna be so much fun. My outfit for today is super cute. I wanted to wear a skirt, but it is going to rain pretty bad today. So I put on some jeans, but I have a fun little top on, and we're about to head out. And then after the Frida Kahlo Museum, we have to hit up some stores, finish up some souvenir shopping, and then we are heading home. So that is today. So I will see you in Coyoacan. We got coffee, and now we're in the Frida Kahlo Museum. On the corn. We're boarding our plane to go home.